Hey, Ray YTP, why you spin?
I think I made an atom of a frappuccino language, so it bonked me internally and externally at the same time with an extreme amount of rusty purple blue whales, and now I became speed.
You spiny linguinofield, that's extremely offensive, you master cheater. How dare you affect me with such intense spinning, STHATE now this instant, or else I'll turn you into a stew.
But ciao now guysano, thanks to Lippine that made this spinning Jonathan, and now I shall feast upon this Jonathaness.
Great and cheap field. That was my epic giga mega hyper Jonathan boy with Alfredo sawhouse with nails. How dare you make it into an offensive you twisting cat.
Time to put another insert lugger here into the booming realm for the no but actually yosh time, because no lugger for you.
According to all known origin charting, there is no way that that's the same special fixed-speaking channel from Chinese in the overwhelm get ready for an active rotation.
Bosh!
Oh great heavens, it seems as if I now spinerish you with lots of my rubbish uranium tea and crisps, my mates. This is quite a large amount of a brook moment, ain't it chaps?
Joyous. Now that the hell beach is funny. It's time to take the house for a spin too.
Later, after intensely clicking, the house on a speedrun 878 treacherous million times in 42,678 of his hectare frame.
Oh my golly geez, not the helicopter house.
Now I shall transform into helicopter crashing green screen effect.
Boom!
How dare that little Garfin boom me while making my house perform spleen as a helicopter crashing green screen effect. Well, at least this H is not going to become spook the H.
Bosh!
A flushed emoji on, maybe lisping and H.
Jean.txt is having a heart attack. He is in French bread. Please wait until the heart attack finishes.
That's it, Silent Field. Time to make you orbit the universe by launching you with my unreliable Jimmy Boiler PGD.
As the president of all of the League of Legends Chief Adams, I declare this moment as a hyperfixing broken momen.
Oh no, not a stupid onion ring. Those pesky rings make my auto self-destruct system activate immediately.
Boom! Boom!
No, bro. Me when damage hits hashtag secrecy hashtag definition hashtag. You're merely like sans subscriptional
wordle silent
hashtag. Hey look, it's your time in the chamber of time. You know exactly, very precisely what this means. Miles per Oskandan.
I actually don't know because my memory got a pasta overload and I orders called emoji. What does this mean for the Lithuania lore?
It is time to make Lesbian Time DX with an avocado-related philosophical question on gravy.
Johnny Boy has received a Messi Colono.
Let's go. I'm getting the slide. It's so great.
Pun pun.
Holy bro, Pompous Johnny area be literally any dough. That means that I now shall be a live brother and cook the John Emu with rigatoni with meatballs inside. It's a time for me to do the maximum stoofing existent by transforming into a Jonathan boy spade demon serve chef boy god the is 163,765,356 added minus Josh bread stars meal.
Massive Jonathan speed.
This is the blue screen of death of this reality. We are fixing the problem by email spamming the reality. Also help that stupid poopy cat made mess pan.
Oh no. It seems you have encountered the pin goose. Why did you stay until the end of the video, you bonzo? Now the pin goose will make you commit tax fraud with its pingus powers. Bruh pingus.